all the material at the moment, and we've got some other deliveries, 2.7 metre frames. How do you think you're going to deal with it?
Oh, I think just go to Carter's and get someone there to have a look in the crystal ball and sort of see how it's going to work out. That'd be the best way to do it.
How good are your crystal balls at the moment?
Oh, they're terrible.
Oh, never mind, are you moving to tarot cards?
Well, yeah, it might be alright. Just don't know what would happen if you get the deck card though.
No, don't. Think of the Nova coil.
Yep, so the Nova coil is working pretty well here. Previously we had quite a decent area submerged, so the coil's been installed for close to a week now, and we can see that for the majority all that water is now being dissipated through the coil and away into the catch pit.
Excellent. It's been really wet, however you and your other three guys blasted through those bits of wood to make the subfloors. How are we going to work the next few days?
Well, one of the ideas perhaps is to have some, we can potentially buy a couple of cheap gazebos from Barney now that we've got the floor joists off the ground.